Hello, and welcome to our introduction to the MSP model. A managed service provider, MSP, is a third-party company that remotely manages a customer's information technology, IT, infrastructure and end-user systems. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, nonprofits, and government agencies hire MSPs to perform a defined set of day-to-day management services. These services may include network and infrastructure management, security, and monitoring. They offer services like network monitoring, security management, data backup, software updates, and help desk support. The MSP model is revolutionizing the IT services industry. By taking a proactive and comprehensive approach to technology infrastructure management, MSPs offer significant advantages over the traditional break-fix model. In this section, we'll explore the benefits of MSPs, why customers need them, and how businesses can transition to this superior model. Managed services involves outsourcing IT infrastructure management and support to specialized providers. Unlike the reactive break-fix model, MSPs focus on preventing problems and ensuring seamless operations. Businesses today face complex IT challenges, evolving threats, downtime costs, and reputational risks. MSPs alleviate these burdens by leveraging expertise and specialized tools. By partnering with an MSP, customers benefit from efficient IT management. Now, let's compare the MSP model to the break-fix model. The latter charges for fixing issues as they arise, resulting in unpredictable costs, reactive problem solving, and lack of long-term planning. Conversely, the MSP model brings stability, predictable revenue, and better budget control. MSPs offer bundled services at a fixed rate, reducing costs for customers. Additionally, they provide scalability, managing multiple clients and workloads with standardized processes and dedicated teams. This flexibility ensures high-quality service for small businesses and large enterprises alike. Transitioning to the MSP model isn't limited to specific businesses. Computer stores, repair shops, systems integrators, hardware and software resellers and IT support services can all benefit. Embracing MSPs allows these businesses to differentiate themselves, enhance services, build customer relationships, and deliver ongoing value through proactive IT management. The MSP model is a proactive and comprehensive solution to IT infrastructure management. It addresses technology complexity, modern threats, downtime costs, and reputational risks. With its recurrent revenue structure, cost-effectiveness, and scalability, MSPs outperform the break-fix model. Businesses across sectors can successfully implement MSPs to meet evolving customer needs.